بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. المريض خضير إبراهيم زيدان من العراق. سبق وراجعت الأطباء بالعراق وبالشمال وبعدين الأردن وبعدين رحت لمصر وما طلعت بنتيجة، فظلت أعاني من جهد ألم عندي وما أقدر أمشي وتورم بالقدمين. ما خليت يا طبيب أروح يقول لي ما يتحمل بنج، ما تتحمل بنج. بعدين عن طريق صديقي وابن عمي نسمان بالهند يدرس وقال لي تعال الهند، وجينا يم دكتور مشرا وما قصر الرجال انه قام بالعمل المضبوط، والحمد لله شكرا حاليا صحة جيدة. سوى لي قسطرة وبنج عام وسويت العملية ناجحة 100% وألف الحمد لله وشكر ربي، وأنا أعاني هسه من صحة جيدة جدا جدا.
Hello friends, I am Dr. Yugal Mishra, Chairman Manipal Institute of Cardiac Sciences and Chief Cardiovascular Surgeon Manipal Hospitals Dwarka, Delhi. Today I am going to discuss about a patient who is a 59-year-old Iraqi national, came to us with the history of breathing difficulty and swelling in the feet, not able to sleep properly, and had a severe breathing difficulties. We evaluated this patient and we found that his heart function was around 15%. He had a severe mitral regurgitation and severe tricuspid regurgitation. Now, this patient was very sick, and on the basis of echo also has two valves which are leaking. Ideally, we should treat these valves and do the repair or replacement, but because of his very poor heart function, which was 15%, this was not a suitable and fit patient to do an open heart surgery. Hence, we discussed with this patient the possibility of doing a MitraClip and TriClip, which are a advanced, recent developed therapies for this kind of patients, where we use a clip to clip those mitral valve cusps and tricuspid valve cusps to reduce the regurgitant volume and reduce the regurgitation and improve the heart function. So in this particular patient, we use the clip in the mitral valve and clip in the tricuspid valve. Probably this is one kind of patient which has not been done in other part of India. Probably the first time we use clip to both the mitral and tricuspid. Fixed his heart, and after MitraClip and tricuspid clip, he's shown a very good recovery. His breathing difficulty finished and he could able to walk. Swelling in the feet disappears. He started sleeping normally, and now he has come after 3 months of procedure for further checkup. We are going to see how the valves are doing, how about the heart function. Thank you.